Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please stay with Indrani for more updates. Are you wondering which sink you should buy in your new kitchen or renovated kitchen? It's not so simple to decide because there are several models available in the market. Stainless sinks have come a long way over the years. Some of the cons may be their tendency to scratch and age over time. Over usage, any sink will fade out. Once faded out, it's difficult to get back the original glow to the steel sink. Choosing a granite sink can provide a real point of difference in our kitchen. With a little care and attention, you can keep enjoying a beautiful granite sink year after year. In this video, I will show you how I am going to get a fresh, new and shiny look to my little dull black granite sink. For this, I am using two items. One is Food Safe mineral oil for wooden cutting boards. This oil is tasteless, colorless and odorless and can be safely used on the granite sink. And the next one is tile gap filler. I have ordered it from Amazon, and with this I am trying to cover the joint between the sink and the countertop, which turned a little dull after long usage. Come on, let's start the process. Firstly, let the sink be dried completely. Food Safe mineral oil is tasteless, colorless and odorless and can be safely used on the granite sink. Take a little quantity of the oil and apply it generously over the entire surface and let it be soaked overnight. With my personal experience, I suggest you not to go for a granite sink with drain board because I didn't find much use of that. Light colored sinks may need less maintenance than darker ones because the line of the water getting deposited over usage may not be visible on the light colored sinks. For sinks to be more durable, it's preferable not to leave utensils in the sink overnight, and it's better to rinse and dry the sink after every use. Now I am applying the tile gap filler to the edges. It is just an experiment and I too do not know how the output will be. Let's see. final output. This is the Futura brand sink that I have purchased online. It's really looking elegant and new after the makeover.